the phone itself here, and charger, charging cable, and of course probably this QC2 nevertheless. Okay, yeah, it's a QC2 charger. Okay, so it's still a micro USB charger port. Okay, so let's see everything on the side. So IR, jack, mic in, no, it's the noise cancellation mic instead. So volume rocker, power button. Definitely this is a plastic, dual camera back, and LED flash, and of course the fingerprint scanner. Loudspeaker, mic in, and of course micro USB. Up front, the teardrop notch. Okay, so we'll peel this off. Okay, so it's peeled the film off. So you can see this display is quite acceptable, not bad. Okay, so let's check the settings. Okay, it's a global ROM Redmi 7, Snapdragon 632, Octa core 1.8, 3 GB of RAM, and probably 32 GB of storage. Yeah. So let's see, where's the camera? Okay, see the camera. This okay, the back is both are from OV Omnivision, and the front camera is from Samsung's S5K. Okay, so taking a look at the camera. Okay, the Pro mode, you can see 32 seconds of shutter speed, ISO 3200, so it's not bad. Let's see the video settings. Okay, you can record up to FHD 1080p 60 fps. Okay, so there's no UHD for this unit, which is a budget, more of a budget unit, successor of the Redmi 6. Okay, so I guess that's it for now, and yeah, just stay tuned for my other testing for this phone, for the Antutu test, for the camera's picture samples and other things that you would like to know. Okay, just stay tuned. Check my website www.xiaomireview.com, okay, for more details. Okay, so this is the Comet Blue of the Redmi. Let me peel it up for you. Okay, of the Redmi 7. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.